I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. That was
Keep breaking news again. I'm in game.
I can't even lie. Didn't really think you changed my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah, I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight. You were like, hello, hello, hello. And I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm used to flying solo, solo, solo. I'm in trouble now, I'm in trouble now. Now I'm singing like, ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. No, I don't wanna fight what I feel. For the first time it feels so real. Take a pint, take a part, take a part, make it hard.
We have some. Ooh, oh wait, this is the good flavor. We've tried it, right? I'm pretty sure we've tried it.
Wow, 好贤惠哦。
Yes.
You don't even know what that means. 我们来那个 Soviet Park 买新的，买新的盆栽的那个架子，等一下回家录给你们看。JC 最近就是 into his plant phase， 所以他买超多新的 plant， 然后就要买 pot 什么的，然后就今天来一个盆子都没买到，只买了架子。等一下回去看他怎么 set up。昨天晚上出去 Soviet Park 买，就是为了要买一些那个新的植物的底座跟盆栽。pot 是盆栽吗 ？JC 最近就是进入一个超级疯狂爱 plants 的 phase， 然后他就疯狂买植物。然后这个是 Monstera， 应该是我们最大的一个。然后原本是希望可以买一个架子，就是木头那种架子，可以让它架起来，但结果太小，所以就现在就还是放在我的床头边。然后但是多买了一个竹篮的，就我觉得还蛮可爱的。现在两个在这边，然后他现在又出去多买一个那个就是 plain 的 pot， 可以放在这边小的，所以这边到时候会有3个。然后前面这边有一个是之前在 Kmart 买的一个竹篮的。然后我觉得那个放在里面还蛮可爱，它以后应该会沿着那个杆子就一直长上去。然后下面还有2个，这个就是我们昨天在 Adidas 买的一个木头的，这个木头其实质感很好，因为那间算是家具店嘛，其实价位就是不便宜。然后所以我们就想说以后还可以用，就买了2个比较好一点的木头架子，然后就直接把它放在上面，就有3个 level。I reckon it looks quite nice. Yeah. 然后另外还有2个就是昨天新买的 plants. JC got pots for it earlier today, but they didn't quite fit right. So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so they didn't quite fit right. So he just gone out to Bunnings again to get 2 pots for that. Here is our money tree. We got it from Dendrocardo, which is Caitlin's boyfriend Jonah's business, plant business. I freaking love this tree. This is probably one of my favorites. Monstera and the money tree is probably my favorite in the room right now. It's grown a lot. Before we got it, it was just like probably like lower here, and then we've been putting it on the shelf, so it's been getting a lot of sunlight, and so it's getting a lot of new leaves growing out, and so I feel like it's growing taller. But I really like how that looks on the rack, even though it's a pity how it doesn't quite fit right, because I actually wanted it to fill the space completely, but it's a little bit small, so it's just sitting there for now, but it doesn't bother me too much. I think having it leveled like that looks quite nice. And then just next to JC's vinyl player is this yellow one. He's gone out to get another pot, so one of these ones is probably going to go on there, so there's going to be 2 there and a small one. This one is also from Dendrocado. We had a different plant in there before, but JC and I didn't really take good care of it, so it died unfortunately. And so we went to Monstera, which is another plant shop in the CBD, I don't remember what that place is called, but it's like a square where there's like heaps of nice restaurants by Victoria Street, I believe. But yeah, Monstera, that plant shop, sells really good quality plants, and I love the aesthetics in the store. But they had this little cute one in a pot, and so we just transferred it into the Dendrocado pot because I love their design. Like, I love their stickers and I love how the glass jar looks, so we decided to keep it and just transfer something different into... Actually, I forgot to show you guys, we have another one in the bathroom, but it's a cactus. This one is also from Caitlin. I think I've showed you guys in one of my previous vlogs. Is there a sticker on this one? I think there was a sticker on this one. Oh, dang it. Okay, there's no sticker on this one, but this one's from Dendrocado as well. It's a cactus, but because of feng shui reasons, my mum won't let me put cactus in my room, so this is the second best place to put it. So we've just had our cactus here. When we just got it, it was just like a rounded shape cactus, but recently there's a lot of like random bits and pieces growing out on the side, and I don't know how I feel about it because it literally looks like tumors. And yeah. 现在是早上7点半，星期六，然后我已经在我健身房的外面。我健身房在我这是停车场，然后前面右转那边是健身房。我现在大素颜，然后最近皮肤又很不好，所以就是很多痘痘。然后但是 anyway， 星期六早上是 Hollywood 是1个小时的课，平常是45分钟，然后今天是1个小时，所以我比较早就来，想说1个小时上完之后，我就可以就是开始我星期六的一天。然后等一下运动完之后要赶快回家洗澡，因为早上也不算早上了，11点的时候要去北岸。跟 Janice 有约要去一个 puppy 的 event， 我超级 excited。然后因为那边会有 food truck， 所以我们会就是可能会乱吃，所以早上赶快先来运动。那我已经上课有点快迟到，先走吧。化妆快好了，现在还擦画眉毛，等一下画完之后就要准备出发去北岸的。I don't wanna say too much, got a lot of feelings, scared that I might mess it up. I'ma always keep it honest like $100. I'ma be there by your side, girl, no matter what. I'm not like those other guys you knew before. Pull up to the spot, you know I open doors. I won't ever blame you 'cause you're innocent. Let's show you what your future is. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We got options, there ain't nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me. We got options, there ain't nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me, alright with me. No, I'm not saying I don't have problems. I got way too many for you to count. I'm just saying I'm good at solving them. I won't ever let it get between you and I. Things I do for you, you my Gemini. I'm just trying to be a Leo for you there like every night. Yeah, every night. Hey. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We got options, we got nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me. We got options, we got nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me, alright with me. Can't do one-handed. Yeah. Wait, do you want to unbox for me? Dude. Oh my. Wow. Why do I act like I didn't know what I picked?
It's a mystery box.
It's hard and we wanna let go. I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type.
So I just got back from Pupnik. It was a really fun event. We had a lot of fun with Mocha and trying to get Mocha to be more like sociable with other dogs. I think I should have gotten more footage, but I was so busy playing with other dogs I like forgot to video most of the time. But anyway, we had a lot of fun. Just got home a while ago. I'm going to go to Sylvia Park to pick something up real quick, and then I've got my nail appointment at 3 o'clock. I used to go to Urban Nails in town with Jamie. I've been going to her for a long time, but because I live in Mount Wellington now and it's a lot further for me, I decided to try out a new place, and if she turns out to be good, which is the place I'm going to today, she's in Ellerslie, if she turns out to be good, I'm just going to stick with her. But last month I gave Art of Nails a try and it was just the freaking worst idea because now my nails are like all chipped and it's really unhealthy. So yeah, I'm just going to try out Song Lash and Beauty, but I'm gonna try her out today, and if it turns out to be good, I will be visiting her monthly. I'm super excited. JC's gone out to work, so I'm heading to my appointment by myself until he's done with work today, probably in the evening. Before I go to work, I'm going to Sylvia Park to pick up a hairdryer. Our hairdryer died on me this morning. I've had the hairdryer for quite a while. My mum actually gave it to me, and it's a Panasonic one, and it's got like different voltages on there for you to bring along when you travel. So usually, actually, I've always had it with an adapter to use it, and I just always been using it like that for the past few years, and so it finally decided to die on me. Actually, the hairdryer itself is not broken, but I think it's like the connection point that's broken. So I probably will still be able to use it when I go back to Taiwan, which is like Asian countries in general, but in New Zealand I think it's just best to buy another one that's fit for here, like with the proper plugs and everything. So I decided to get a Dyson. So I told JC earlier today, and he's already bought a Dyson, like right after I texted him. He went to Sylvia Park. Oh, he went to Noel Leeming and yeah, got a Dyson because the Noel Leeming he went to, they didn't have stock, so he asked to get one from the Sylvia Park branch, and so I'm just going to that branch now to pick it up before I go to Ellerslie to get my nails done. But yeah, going to get pedicure and manicure today, so it's going to take a little bit longer. But anyway, pretty much got everything ready, so gonna head out now and let's go.
When you got your hands in mine.
Hi guys, just got home not long ago. I went to get my nails done and went to, oh actually I left my Dyson in the car. Let's go get the Dyson out of my boot. I went to Sylvia Park to pick up the Dyson hairdryer, and then I went to get my nails done, and now I'm back home 2 hours later. So I ended up doing like a shell kind of design for my nails, so it took a lot longer, so I didn't end up doing pedicure, just did manicure, and that's what it looks like. My nails gone really short. I used to grow my nails a lot longer, but the last place I went to fucked up my nails real bad, so they all chipped and cracked and everything, so I had to cut them. So I'm gonna regrow them out, but this is what my nails look like this time. I've got like little shells encapsulated in there and I love it. But anyway, that took me like 2 hours to do, so I didn't end up doing my pedicure, and I just got my manicure done, so I'll be going in another 2 weeks to get my pedicure done. But anyway, let's go to my car and get the Dyson hairdryer and do an unboxing together. Let's go. 饭还没煮好，所以先出来洗车，好久没洗。然后今天原本要给别人手洗，但是时间来不及，所以还是自己开来洗。你看我轮胎多久没洗，已经黑成这样，超冷。今天人好多，可能要排队一下。然后因为水枪都被占走，所以现在先来 vacuum。要帮我洗车啦
Hey man, what do you want? Do you want a vacuum?
看他穿着工作衣服就跑来洗。
$20 bro.
$20, that's cheap. Okay, $20.
$100 tip. Just for you.
今天我的工作就是负责收集好零钱，然后帮他投币。
That I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turned into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time.
$100 up?
Huh?
$100 ups?
So, my hair dryer died this morning. So JC and I got a new hair dryer. Scissors.
Bro, not even prepared, bro. What are you doing? Oh, shut up naked.
Alright, we got the gift edition. Unfortunately, it comes in an ugly color, but it comes with a lot of tools. So. Okay, holy shit. Alright. Wow, okay. Yeah, look at that. Cute, eh? Now let's decide which way to open it from. I think it's this way. Whoa! What? Looks so good. Packaging looks really nice. Actually, Jane got me into this because I tried hers, and it's like really powerful. You can switch the wind up to like 4 bars. Oh, it's got a freaking case. That's so pretty. Okay. Oh my god, dude, I feel like I love this case more than anything else. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I love the case. Dude, this case is like leather skin as well.
That's the gift edition, bro.
Wow, this is so pretty. And this is the color. It's actually not too bad. I wanted the all black one, but the all black one doesn't come with the case. So this one, I believe...
There's a squiggly one, bro.
I think it goes on like...
It's magnet.
Is it? Wait, I'm confused. So here...
It sucks in from the other side.
So the air goes out from this side?
There's a power plug behind you. Why don't you try it out?
Holy shit, this looks too nice. I love it. Oh my gosh. You ready? It's freaking super powerful, I'm telling you. Ah, okay, yeah. So air comes out of this way, and the colorway is where the air goes in. And this is where the air goes out, so
it's a magnet.
Yeah, it's a magnet one, like super easy to attach. I don't know what the squiggly thing is for. There's probably like
to make your hair squiggly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did she actually explain to you like what the attachments are, or you just bought it?
No, I just went in and he's just like, hey
He's
sir,
like, just get the.
how can I help you? I'm just like, oh, I just want the Dyson hair dryer. He's like, yeah, sweet.
This one is.
It's a keyboard.
It does look like a keyboard, eh? Oh, another travel bag. Dude, this is actually so worth it. So we pretty much paid $600 for a leather case for 3 different heads without a head. Oh wait, actually there's another one in here. So there's 4.
It's that one.
Oh, okay, so it's actually the same as it's the same as that, but it's just a little bit skinnier. I don't know what difference that makes to your hair, but another. What's this? I don't know what this is. Probably won't use it. But yeah, that's everything. Forget it, guys. 今天是星期日，然后今天等一下早上10点还是9点半会有 cleaners 到家里，就是整理家里，然后所以我现在早上8点半先赶快来上课，上完课之后会跟 JC 去Northwest 去 Catalina Bay. It's in Hobsonville, sorry. Yeah, so we're going around Hobsonville area for a morning market, and then we're gonna go strawberry picking. But yeah, that's gonna be our plan for today, and I'll edit this vlog tonight, so hopefully it'll be up in real time. And yeah, I'm gonna go to my workout now, and I'll see you guys there. I'll be waiting there for you. Where are we today?
Where are we?
We came to Catalina Bay. 是上次我带弟弟妈咪来的那个 Hobsonville 的 Farmers Market. 照给你们看。
Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down 8th Avenue.
We got a long black, flat white,
Pano chocolate.
and a Portuguese egg tart. Taste test first. Compared to the last one at French Fry, is it? Is it good? Ooh. Oh, I'm ready.
Oh, shit, wrong one. It's like creme brulee, man.
Huh? I don't know if I like this more though. Because I was expecting more filling than the crust.
These are one as well.
Can you try that one too?
Just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick. His hands give me my fix.
Oh, chocolate milk. Who copied who? This is what the, what's it called? Catalina Bay used to look like. Like that. Now it looks like that. Oh, my bad. Wait, which one is it?
This one.
Oh, shucks. Right, it's this one.
That's the hanger. Seaplane hanger.
Wait, so what's that one over there?
That is
See, what is it?
I don't know what's it.
But now it's a brewery? Looks like a lot of people going in there.
Yeah.
And then this is the port where people take
So
the
that's
take the ferry to a city.
It was a seaplane hanger.
Ah.
See what this is like.
His kisses do the trick. His hands give me my fix. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. You.
trees were way taller. Are they just baby ones? We got to Zabri, the strawberry farm, and we're gonna get real fruit ice cream. We're gonna
Your hands are what I miss. It may have something, but it's nothing like you.
But before we even go, I'm already like sunburnt on the shoulders from the market. And we went to some open homes before this as well. That was fun.
Nothing like you. Nothing like you. No, it's nothing like you.
Second real fruit ice cream of today. 蓝莓的.
Should I try it?
Yeah, try it. Whoa! Is that better or strawberry better? This one better than the one in the morning? Oh yeah, let's see. I think I still like strawberry better.
To show you, I wanna get to know you. There's a message for you to find. Read my hips, see me side to side. Read my
Wait, let's play a game, babe. Do an estimation and see how many kilos it is all up for 2 buckets.
Yeah.
Guys, this is my bucket. And that's JC. Oh, come here, babe. That's JC's bucket. Alright, let's do an estimation. Alright. All up though, both together. What do you think?
How much is it per kilo?
$7. Oh, you don't have to worry about the price, but how many kilos do you think it is?
6.
6 kilos together?
6 or 7.
7? Are you gonna lock it in?
Lock in 6.
Lock in 6?
Yeah.
Alright. I think it's 6 as well. maybe 8?
8 kilos.
I feel like it's like 4 on each side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky.
Maybe 8? Okay, maybe I'll go 7.5. Alright, let's go. 台湾草莓了，刚刚我跟 JC 猜那个重量 ，JC guessed what was it 6.6 kilos? 6 kilos in total. Now we'll guess 7.5 in total. Oh, there's a Maserati. 然后就最后 JC 赢了，因为我们
Maserati, but he drives through the same gravel, bro. As us.
我们，我刚刚说什么？哦，我们量了之后是6.6，所以他赢了。但是6.6公斤的那个的草莓，总共才 actually not 才 it's actually quite expensive, eh? $50 in total, but that was excluding entry. So all up, we spent $60 today on strawberries.
That's $10 a kilo.
$10 a kilo. So it's
Oh,
basically the
that's
same.
the same.
Yeah. So really, it's like the same as buying it from the supermarket, but yeah, for the experience. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Read my hips, baby. Read my hips and take me home tonight. You said you know, I know. Oh, when I kiss you alone. You said you know. You already know. When I kiss you alone.